Okay, I'm doing an animal update because some of our animals have changed. So, back by popular demand is the animal update. Starting off in the entryway, we have our four newest members: Chick, Other Chick, Other Chick, and Other Chick. These four are very dear to us because they were the only four out of a whole batch of like 2 dozen that hatched. Not sure what went wrong. I think only three of them actually hatched. The other one poked a hole and just stayed there for a few days. And we eventually had to crack open the shell and take her out. And luckily she survived, so that was four of them. So that was like kind of tragic, but we got those four lovely chicks. And that's our youngest. Our oldest hens and our new rooster, Mister. Oh, I should talk about that. We got rid of the old rooster, Rudy, and got this new rooster named Mister. Kind of lame. To, mix up the gene pool. And we've got them fenced in now. I don't know why, really. Maybe it's to get them accustomed to this new chicken coop, which is on wheels, so we can roll it around. Has an automatic electric door that's on a timer that opens and closes. So they go in, this comes off, and then they lay their eggs in here, pull them out, say, oh, you have an egg? Yes, you do. We collect it, and then put it back in for them to lay another egg. Honestly, pretty sweet setup. 2 more eggs in here. Dope. And so that's what we call the chickshaw. And they're not the happiest being fenced in, but it'll do for now. Mister is much less confrontational than Rudy. In fact, he's a bit of a coward, which is fine, at least for us. But I just want to show you something. This fencing situation that we got going on isn't perfect. And it's pretty easy to see why. Because over here, oh look, field! We did hay and baled it. You can see there are some hens that have escaped. And they're just back to their old ways. Anyway, here are the goats. We have 3 goats. Big Mama died a few weeks back. Not sure why. So here we have the 3 goats. They're also fenced in because we planted like 250 trees all around the property, and they would just eat them all. So we've got them fenced in, but honestly, look how tall the grass is. Crazy. They can't even keep up. Little Paul, whatever the white one is, Beatrice. Just chewing. And then over here, we've got 2 other batches of chicks. So we've got the almost fully grown ones, like pretty much fully grown. And also this one is on the outside and shouldn't be, but is, so whatever. And then we've got the smaller ones inside there. So these are not all Rudy's babies, as you can tell. This one's super tiny, but it's, still surviving. I give it a week. Anyway, I think we lost two of these to a raccoon 2 nights ago. Scene of the crime. There's a feather there. Oh. Anyway, that sucked. So Todd's trying to catch a raccoon. Jack's trying to get a gun license. We do what we have to. Anyway, here's the old chicken coop. Out of commission. Gross. Rat infested. Todd set up a bunch of traps. He's killed a few. So that's nice. Rats are gross. Goats. Chilling. Honestly, tensions are kind of high right now. What is going on? Freaking out. Okay, anyway. I think that's like pretty much it. Except... check this shit out. So... on April Sunday, Easter Sunday, we found some kittens. Which honestly were in a vlog, and so Al, if you didn't see that, shame on you. But we found them right over there. Anyway, we've been bringing them food and water. There's our food bowl that's empty. And so there were 2 kittens, and then there's like a black adult and a white adult. The kittens are cute. I mean, I haven't seen them in a while, but Todd has. And now the goats are inside. Why are you inside? Probably because I came inside thinking we gave them some of this fresh hay that we brought in yesterday. But no, we just brought it in to make them smell it. Swag, swag, swag on you. Hello. So we're just here to chill. Chill with chicks. Classic. What up? How you doing? Your crown's kind of messed up. Oh, Mister's probably been pecking at it when he mounts you. You deviant. God. Ugh, look at that. Poor hens. Bad. Bad guy. Hello. Oh yeah, check this tree out. What happens when you have goats? So that's why they're in a fence. Hey, how'd you get out there? You big idiot. Hey, how'd you get out there, you big idiot? What you doing, you big idiot? Ugh. Cars. Yeah, we got cars here. We got live entertainment. We got dead grass. Home sweet home. Oh, lol. And here, back to the Fab 4. Tweet, tweet, tweet. They're digging into cardboard like idiots. That's what idiots would do. And perhaps the most vile creature we have on the farm is Jack. Disgusting.